So what is the Dorian Way? The Dorian Way is a trading strategy that was adopted from volatility hedge fund called the Dorian Fund. The principal objective of the Dorian Way is to teach you how to trade to make monthly income that can act as a supplement or primary source of income. So how do we do that? We do it in 3 steps. Step 1. Once you complete the sign-up process, we meet over GoToMeeting. We review your trading experience. We discuss the mentoring program and what you should expect. We schedule recurring meetings. We set up your platform, review the Dorian Way trading process, and put on your first trade. Step 2. We start learning by reviewing your trades. We make adjustments, close out trades, and make new trades. This part of the course will help you learn through live one-on-one mentoring for 30-minute sessions. Step 3. We continue to learn by building a portfolio. All trades represent the Dorian Way, which is centered around initiating trades at a delta level, adjusting at a delta level, and hedging at a delta level. The program is designed to teach you how to manage a portfolio like a hedge fund manager. Let's get started.